So hi guys, welcome back to Coding with Adhrit. In today's video, I will be teaching you what are strings. So let's get started. Let's open up our IDE. Now once it opens, let's maximize it and make a new file. After making a new file, let me explain to you what are strings. So strings are basically anything we put in between quotes. It may be text, it may be symbols, and it also might be integers or numbers. So that is what is known as strings. Now, strings are mostly strings in Python are almost used in almost all the Python programs, like the one which we already learned, the print statement. In the print statement, we add two brackets, and then inside that we add strings. So you can type hello, and then this part of the code is known as strings. Strings can be used by single quotes or double quotes. So, so it depends on to the user. So that's all for today's video. Bye guys.